The Philippine military released video showing Chinese and Filipino boats clashing in contested waters of the South China Sea. Philippines has accused Chinese vessels of ramming Philippine boats, then boarding them with swords, spears, knives and seizing weapons from Philippine boats. South Korea has acquired first batch of 3 Boeing P-8A Poseidon maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare aircraft. The 3 aircraft are part of a total order of 6 placed by South Korea in 2018. The aircraft will enhance South Korea's ability to detect and counter North Korea's submarine-launched ballistic missiles. Taipei would receive all shipments of the TOW-2B anti-tank missiles from the United States by the end of 2024. The delivery of TOW is expected to bolster Taiwan's firepower. With ability to target bunkers and armored vehicles, it can also destroy incoming landing craft during anti-landing operations. The Royal Norwegian Air Force has reactivated Bardufoss Mountain Air Station to house its F-35 fighter jets, utilizing the natural protection of mountain hangars to enhance aircraft survivability.